Behind me here today we have a Plantman P8000 Service Truck. This one's been sold and heading into the Pilbara of WA. Its top three features are its quality, its customisability, and it ensures there's no downtime on your mine site. The quality of a Plantman truck is, in my opinion, the best in WA. It lasts for a very long time, and our customers always bring the trucks back for a refurb, and they use the same body and same parts that were in it 10 years ago when they bought it. Its customisability, all the tanks can be interchanged with each other, and you can have as big or as little capacities of different types of liquids that you need, which ensures that you can carry as much or as little as you need per your site requirement. And these trucks ensure that there's no downtime on your site because of their quality of build, and that it'll keep your mining fleet running all day long. For more information on this truck behind me, please go to our website or give us a call today, and we'll be more than happy to give you all the information you need.